Hey folks, welcome to Unit 2 of CIS 138, Image Editing Applications. You'll want to start this week off with Pixlr, a case studies. Pixlr is a free site. It's actually an offshoot of Photoshop. You can see the interface, a little thumbnail of the interface over to your upper right-hand corner. What you'll want to do is you'll want to go to that site and register, and we're going to navigate the Pixlr workspace. We're going to edit and retouch a photo using 5 separate features of your choice. You're going to save and share those photos and then talk about the process. Here's the Pixlr website, a link to that. You'll want to go to the Pixlr editor, and then you can choose either one, but do not feel like you have to pay for anything. So here are the tools that you'll use. They're very reflective of the Photoshop tools. Taking a little bit today. All right, and then what you'll do is you can look at these this video library showing some Pixlr tutorials if you feel like you need a little extra help, and also this video on a case study for Pixlr. Here is where you will submit your edited photos. You want to upload both photos for credit. And then here's the forum where you post your photo and about your process and some of the features that you use to edit your photo here, and then share with your peers, respond with thoughtful feedback. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Have a very productive week. See you in next week's virtual video.